Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern McLeod County, northeastern Meeker County, Wright County, northwestern Carver County, until 7 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Dassel, or 21 miles north of Hutchinson, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Buffalo, St. Michael, Otsego, Annandale, Montrose, Cokato, Winstead, Maple Lake, Howard, Lake, Lester Prairie, Dassel, Waverly, French Lake, Hollywood, New Germany, Darwin, South Haven, Smith Lake, Rasset, and Buffalo Airport. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Seek shelter immediately in an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built structure. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Carver, McLeod, Meeker, and Wright.